Life hacks only smart people know. Let's see how many you know, especially number 7. 1. The steamer rack should be placed with the groove side facing down. This way, steam flows along the grooves and doesn't make the food soggy. The food comes out perfectly steamed, not soaked. 2. Cut off both ends of a cotton swab with pliers. Then snip a bristle from a broom, fold the bristle in half, thread it through the cotton swab tube, burn off the excess. Now thread the folded broom bristle through a needle. Your grandma will never ask you to help thread a needle again. 3. Press down on a roll of toilet paper, flip it, and press again. Then pull out the core in the middle. This is the correct way to use toilet paper rolls. 4. If two bowls are stuck together and won't separate, don't force them apart. You might hurt your hands. Turn on the tap, rinse the bowls under running water, and they'll separate easily. 5. Thread a sturdy string into a water pipe. Loop the string into a circle. Wrap the string clockwise 3 times and thread it through the middle. Now you've made a retrieval knot. If you drop something in a tight space, this knot lets you grab it without reaching in with your hand. 6. This is the correct way to open tissue boxes. 7. For leftover medicine packets or spice bags, use this method to seal them. It's convenient and moisture-proof. 8. Many people rip socks open by pulling hard, but if you look closely, there's a long thread here. Pull it gently and it comes apart. 9. For unfinished snacks, you can seal the bag like this. Fold it twice into a triangle, then fold it in the middle. About 3 to 4 folds should do. Finally, flip both corners over. Now the bag is sealed. It keeps the contents dry and prevents spills. 10. Tie a loop in a rope and hang it on a nail. Make another loop 15 centimeters above the first. Wrap the rope around again. Tie a knot on top. These loops let you adjust the tension of tent ropes. Pull them up to tighten. Pull them down to loosen. Follow me for more life hacks.